G'day, mate. How are you?
Good, mate. What can I get for you?
Just a flat white for Jake, please.
No worries, Jake. It is colour. Order for black cat.
Thinking as I count these fucking days. Tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with this Beretta. I've just been so fed up. My mama said I'm acting kinda different. It's probably all the shit that I've been missing. I don't tell nobody cause I don't do any bitching. Cause that's when all these niggas catch you slipping. Hope I find the truth while I'm alive. Before I fucking die, before I say goodbye, before they tell me all the shit I did was just a lie. This really ain't my motherfucking life. Taking out this notebook every day, writing down my feelings cause it makes me feel okay. Promised you I'd take you from that life you living now, but then we hit the ground. They say that they killers, they just pussy niggas. We running down your villas. No, they probably looking, cause they know that I'm cooking. That's probably what they took in. I wish I told you all that's in my head. Instead, I lay you on this motherfucking bed. Correct, I don't give a fuck what you expect. So put your fucking pride to rest. I saw you pop that, now you moving so slow. Pull up on me, tell me bitch where you wanna go. It's 3 a.m. and you riding me on the motherfucking flow. 6 a.m. and you telling me that you wanted some more. Okay, I'm getting older and I'm losing some friends. Thought they was my niggas, but they don't make no sense. When you find out what you fucked up, don't be texting my phone. I like it better when you leave me alone, bitch.
Dean, man, what's going on?
Jake, man, Jarvis looking cooking in about 2 weeks' time. You keen?
Oh, yeah? I'll be there in 5, mate.
Yeah, sick dog. I'll see you there.
Somebody make a
That's